In today's high-stakes manufacturing, creating solid bonds is imperative. From microchips to spaceships, whether through gluing, painting, or sealing. Yet, even with extensive quality control, failures still happen. Why? 90% of bonding failures are due to a lack of surface readiness. Invisible environmental conditions and simple human choices can compromise surface integrity, leading to costly flaws and breakdowns. Until now, introducing B-Connect. B-Connect brings vital technology into the entire product lifecycle, from the lab to the production line, yielding data that gives you unprecedented visibility and insight. Flexible handheld units and integrated sensors allow you to measure surface readiness at all stages. Data is collected, analyzed, and selectively shared in the B-Connect platform across your enterprise and around the world, increasing the speed of innovation and decreasing the need for shipping materials and in-person meetings. B-Connect gives your teams, scientists, engineers, vendors, partners, and C-suite a common language and data set to innovate, troubleshoot, and work smarter together. With a B-Connect network, you can get and share the critical data needed to make better decisions and reduce the risk of adhesion failures. B-Connect from Brighton Science, the global leader in surface intelligence.